So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 7th till the 13th of October for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want a one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Scorpio, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Six of Swords, the Six of Cups, the Five of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Wands. So with all of their heart and soul, you know, this person's mind space is like, okay, in their mind space, it's like, I have to move on, I have to move on, I have to move on. It's enough, I have to move on. In their heart space, it's like they still care for you. They still care for you, but whenever they think about this situation, all that comes in their heart and soul is drama, fight, issues, conflict, chaos, and lots of trouble. Hmm? So this person is feeling like moving on towards calmer water, leaving the past in the past, and trying to move forward from this chaos, this conflict, this drama, whatever happened between you guys. Although this person still cares from you for you from their heart and soul, but they see the situation as something very negative, something very chaotic. So they feel like it's better to stay away from the situation. It's better to move on from the situation. Let the past be in the past. But this person is trying their best to move on towards calmer water and find their inner peace, find the uh, courage to leave the past baggage behind and move on towards a totally different chapter, totally different and new chapter. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Two of Wands, the Death card. Wow. This person just want to surrender. This person just want to connect with the soulmate kind of dynamic in their life now. They don't want to settle for less than soulmate or less than something serious on the table kind of a deal. Now, this person is like, okay, universe, please help me to move on from the situation. Help me to, with time, this person wants to heal themselves and they don't want to wait for the situation anymore because according to them, the wait is over. They have waited enough. They have put enough energy, resources, and time into the situation. They can't wait anymore. So they just want the universe to help them to move on from the situation instead of waiting for the situation to come back around or some kind of miracle to happen in the situation. No. It's like me and Scorpio, done. Done for good this time. So they want this chapter to end for good this time and move on towards the person, towards the soulmate that's actually meant for them in this lifetime or towards that next serious and long term thing. So these are crystal clear energies from this person's side. Even if they still care for the situation, they no longer want it in their life, right? Okay, let's see what kind of action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 13th of October. Wow. These are not the cards of action, to be honest with you, Scorpio. But this person is going to deeply feel the connection between you and them on a very spiritual level. You know, they never felt this kind of connection. They never felt this kind of spiritual level of connection and this kind of feelings for anybody in their life till this point, the way they are going to feel it for you. But still, this person is choosing to not to take any kind of action in this direction. They are choosing to transmute this feelings into spiritual growth rather than coming towards you and sorting it out with you. This person is using this powerful energies of love, powerful energies of feeling the connection so deeply into this energy of, okay, let's grow spiritually from this point onwards, instead of going towards Scorpio, dropping it. This person is kind of dropping the situation, or at least trying to drop it as you know as much as they can from their side. Yeah. So I don't see them taking any action, even if they are going to feel very deep love, very deep feeling of soulmate, not soulmate, a very deep feeling of spiritual kind of connection between you and them. I don't see them taking any kind of action in this direction. Happens a lot of times. Guidance for you guys: Two of Swords. If you are feeling blocked in the situation, if you're not able to see the future direction of a particular situation and you're feeling blocked in a situation, it's high time for you to remove your blindfold and see things for what they are, see the situation for what it is, instead of living in any kind of blockage or delusion or illusion. It's highly recommended to write the truth on the paper, write the truth on the notebook, that this is the truth of the situation, this is the truth of this person, this is the truth of this connection, and keep on repeating it until your mind is going to accept it, that okay, this is the truth and this is how it is going to be from this point onwards. So live in the real world, not in the illusions or delusions, honey. Else you're going to end up harming yourself only, nobody else or nothing else. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.